Your savings account is officially losing you money. And if you don't act in the next few weeks, it's going to get worse. Inflation just dropped to 2.4%, the lowest in nearly a year. Sounds like good news, right? For consumers, maybe. For your savings, it's a warning sign. Here's what most people don't understand. When inflation drops, the Federal Reserve has room to cut interest rates. And when they cut rates, banks follow. That high-yield savings account paying you 4 or 5%, those days are numbered. The window is closing. And most people have no idea. Right now, there are two types of savers. Those earning 4% or more on their cash. And those earning 0.01% in a standard checking account. If you're in the second group, you're not just missing out. You're actively losing money. Inflation at 2.4% means your purchasing power shrinks every single day your money sits idle. $1,000 in a 0.01% account earns you 10 cents a year. The same $1,000 in a 4% high-yield account earns you $40. That's a 400 times difference. And it's not just about the math. It's about momentum. Money that works for you builds more money. Money that sits still falls behind. So what do? Step 1. Run an idle cash audit. Open every account you have. Checking, savings. That random account you opened 3 years ago and forgot about. How much is sitting there earning almost nothing? Add it up. That's your rescue target. Step 2. Move it to high-yield territory. High-yield savings accounts are still paying 4% or more right now, some even higher. But these rates are tied to the Federal Reserve. When they cut, the banks cut. Open a high-yield account if you don't have one. Transfer your idle cash. Do it this week, not next month. This week. Step 3. Automate the growth. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking to your high-yield savings, even $50 a month. The goal is to keep your money moving to where it grows instead of where it sleeps. Automation removes the decision. You don't have to remember. You don't have to motivate yourself. It just happens. The Finance Reset Toolkit makes this entire process simple. It identifies every lazy dollar sitting in your accounts. It shows you exactly where your cash is and where it should be. You see the difference between 0.01% and 4% in real numbers. Your numbers, not hypotheticals. And the Dynamic Scenario Planner lets you simulate what happens if you move your money now versus waiting. The gap grows faster than you think. The toolkit also includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, and savings goal tracker to keep everything organized in one place. Don't let your money sleep while the rates are still high. The yield chase is on, and the window is closing. Link in the description to run your audit before the banks cut their rates. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.